Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create firewall profiles in GlassWire for the different network. GlassWire allows you to apply different firewall behaviors depending on the network you're connected to, home, public, Wi-Fi, office, etc. Firewall profile let you use stricter rules on the public Wi-Fi, allows more freedom on trusted home network, automatically change behavior when network changes. First, go into your GlassWire and identify your network. Over here on the top, go to this network here and you see your current network name, and you can also view as the router over here, and GlassWire track each network separately. You can also set the firewall mode per month per network. Go to this GlassWire Protect over here and simply toggle on this firewall. And you can click to block manual blocking by simply select with the screen icon allowed and block anytime soon. And this setting apply to the current network. And go to this create a new profile here. And in order to do that, you need to upgrade, and you can set a different firewall mode, block or allow apps as needed. GlassWire remember setting per network, so when you reconnect later, it automatically applies the same firewall rules. Per network profiles require paid version for the advanced automation. Windows must classify network as public or private correctly. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And if you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.